What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys watching today. Today is going to be an honest, straight up review of my recent purchase from Bullion Exchange. And just want to give you, here's what I bought. And that's me. Wow, an actual YouTube channel that's showing a real life purchase and not a bunch of hypothetical. Just kidding. So this was the day I bought it. It was August the 15th. And today is the 28th or 29th, something like that. It's 28th, I believe. And silver at the time was $28.52. So I wanted to make a purchase of around 200 bucks and get as many silver items at spot as possible. And I gave a shot at getting a Morgan silver dollar BU and a Peace dollar BU. So I'm a little excited to see that. And I also wanted to see the new 2024 designs. We got a Trump round in there, not getting political at all. A new 2024 silver kangaroo, a Canadian maple leaf, and a silver eagle 2024. And a gold back. So all stuff that I have never owned yet. Now I've owned obviously silver eagles and stuff, but and maple leaves and Morgans and all that stuff, but never had a Donald Trump round, and I never had a kangaroo round 2024. So excited to get this opened up. So a little bit as I'm unwrapping this. So that is me. Look, Shai Sharin. I have not opened this yet, even though it looks like it has been opened. That's how they tape it. So they're a little extra secure, which is cool with me. But one thing I liked about them is when I made my purchase, I did use the option of linking my bank account, and I recently moved. Those of you guys and gals that follow me know that I recently moved. So I was appreciative of, you know, to purchase with your bank account info is pretty straightforward. You know, you put your name, address, your account number, your routing number. But they didn't just stop there. They called me and they emailed me. Well, they emailed me first and then they called me. And I picked up the phone because it did say Bullion Exchanges when they called me. And they said, hey, we need some more proof that it's you. I'm like, all right, well, I can appreciate that. You know, safety, security type stuff. And they're like, we want you to send us a photo of your recent proof that you are living where you're living now, because my bank account information still was in transit as far as changing the address. And they also asked me to send them a photo of me holding my driver's license before they would execute my order. So I can appreciate that no matter what, they wanted to make sure that my information was not stolen, and someone was just making a purchase on their website to because they stole my stuff, or they found found my wallet or whatever, and maybe my wallet had a check in there, right? So I thought that was really cool that they did that. Most people would be annoyed, but I can appreciate safety. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, very, very cool. So here is the gold back. That was $2.47. I'm going to leave this price guide here on the side here. And let's take a nice look at that. That is a beauty. That's cool. So I've had the silverbacks from Silver Dragon, and that actually sold really, really nice. The silverbacks, I think, ended up selling for like 10 bucks. And I won one for some sort of contest. That was about a year ago. But here's an actual goldback. So goldback is a real item or bill made out of gold. And it's 1/1000th of a troy ounce of 24 karat gold. So very cool to get that at spot. And the state we got was Utah. Well, that's too bad they couldn't send me Illinois, but Utah's cool. And I actually just watched the Bulls' Last Dance. I was watching that last night. Watched that a couple times. And I always forget how good of a basketball team Utah was back in the day. And that was Jordan's famous last shot. All right, enough of the gold back. Let's take a look at the coins. So again, this is not an advertised, Bullion Exchange is not paying me to make this video. This is a straight up like, I'm just a regular dude or like you guys making a bullion purchase, buying some stuff from them. And they did a nice job packing. Can appreciate that. It's all a little stuck together here, which is fine. So that's the first thing we popped out here. Ooh, it's the Morgan. Yeah, cool, cool. All right, so they individually bag it. They use this shipping tape, which I can appreciate. I usually use these to make some of the boxes that are weak a little stronger. And let's see the BU Morgan that I got for $47.06. Now, these prices have all gone up because silver has gone up. But let's see what we got here. Nice. 1886. So, yep, common date. And actually has some frostiness. And it's actually, I'm not like speechless, but, oh no, Shy, don't touch it with your hands. We're going to touch this coin correctly. We're going to grab it on the edges here, and we're going to do some zoom in action. And that's pretty nice. If I was a grader, NGC or PCGS, I'd say that's a nice, easy mint state 63. A little bit of chatter on the cheeks, a little bit of chatter in the fields, but overall, beautiful strike. I don't see any issues. I don't see any cleaning. I don't see any wheel marks from old casino machines. And the reverse is absolutely beautiful. Very nice, frosty, full-breasted eagle. And we got your cartwheels. There, cartwheels, man. We got some cartwheels. So, very happy with that. And that is mainly like, guys, if you buy stuff on eBay or you go to a local coin shop, they're not selling you a Morgan this nice for $47.06 today. They easily could get 55, upwards of $60 for something this nice. And that's probably what I will resell it for because it's worth every penny. So let's put that back in the flip. And little details here. Their flip is a nice 2.5 by 2.5 Mylar flip. It does have their advertisement on it, which I don't care. That's cool. But that is a very, very nice, high quality flip. So thank you very much, Bullion Exchanges. Good job so far. Getting excited. All right, the next item is, oh, cool. This is their bar. The only bar I order. I don't order many bars, but I wanted to check out their bar. Ooh, that is cool. Let's take that out of the, wow, another 2.5 by 2.5 flip. So let's check out the bar. Absolutely beautiful. Got the bull going on there. Ooh, looks like there's like a serial number. That's cool. Very nicely done. I was not expecting a proof like, well, not proof like, this is a proof finish. So we got some mirrors here. And check out the reverse. Very, very cool. Bunch of little bulls there. Well, that's a nice little cool piece at spot. Again, I don't buy bars very often, but and was not expecting it to be encased in a plastic holder. So that's actually an extra premium there. Because if you buy these little plastic cases, not the 2.5 by 2.5 flip, but if you buy little cases for your bars, they're like $1, guys. That ain't cheap. So cool. So far, so good, Bullion Exchanges. I would give you an A+ so far. Let's check out the next one here. All right, the next one here appears to be the Maple Leaf, the 2024. So let's get this bad boy opened up. I also like so far how they've packaged everything. I don't have to have a knife in hand. So if I was an older gentleman with some dexterity issues, that's important not to make someone suffer just to open the package and possibly cut themselves. No one wants to go to the hospital while you're checking out your silver. All right, very cool. So we got King Charles here. There he is. I don't see your normal milk spotting, so very, very cool. Very nice. So this is the first 2024 Maple Leaf. And got a little Maple Leaf privy on there. No spotting, no milkiness. Good job, Canadian Mint, and good job, Bullion Exchange, sending me such a cool coin. So again, got that at spot, $28.52 at the time of purchase. Next up, what do you guys think so far? Let me know in the comments if you would make a purchase from them now after watching my video. I think I would if I watched my own video. This appears to be, yep, the Kanga. So let's take him out, or her out. Look at that. Very cool round. 2024 Kangaroo. Quadruple 9 silver. And we got King Charles here. He's kind of like in a darker bust there. But again, is that a little spot here? Let's see. Is that a little spot on your ear? Yep. Well, there is a milk spot, but it doesn't matter. It's a maple leaf, and there's just a little milk spot there underneath his ear. So a little bit of earwax of King Charles came out there. But you guys that watch me from Australia, you probably are like, dude, that's such a boring old Kanga round. We got plenty of those around here. But here in the States, the United States, we tend to pay premiums for that. So it's very cool to get that Kanga at spot. I can't remember the last time I bought World Bullion at spot. So kind of tells you the demand that's out there. All right, so here's that peace dollar. That was $30.96. It definitely has some toning. We don't have a mint mark, and it's not a 1928. But we got a 1923 here. Very nice looking coin. Get that a little closer there for you guys to see. So, you know, the coin is so-so. Not too excited about this one, but hey, it's a peace dollar. It is BU, and it has original, looks like some sort of album or storage toning. So I'm cool with that. And again, thank you for the nice 2.5 by 2.5 flip. And I will reuse these bags too. So I don't like to create more trash. I'll actually use these bags to ship coins. I don't care if I put other bullion dealers' advertisements in my packages on eBay. People don't care. They just can appreciate if you're being a little extra with your shipping methods. All right, so we got 2 more items in here. What do you guys think so far? I'm liking it so far. I think they did a nice job. All right, this appears to be the 2024 American Silver Eagle. So let's get this one open. A little extra tape on that. Let's see what we got here. All right, beautiful. 2024. Nice looking reverse. Let's get it out here and see if we've got any milkiness. Nope. Very nice. And where did they put the security on the 2024? It is over here by the L in Liberty. There's the missing reed. You guys can see that. But what a gorgeous coin. And these are, you're not going to get one of these at your coin shop at spot, especially 2024. 2024s have a little bit of premium, which is normal. Anytime it is the year that they're released and they're newer, premiums on these are usually around $4 or $5. So this is probably a $35 coin that I got at spot, $28.52. So very, very cool. And our last item here, again, another coin. Well, this won't be a coin. This will be a round that I've never owned, but we've got Never Surrender the Don. And we've got the White House here. Let's check. I don't even know who makes this. But nice looking piece of silver regardless. And obviously these tend to have a little bit of premium. Not crazy premiums. There's a little bit of milking on there, but who cares? So very cool coin. And again, I can appreciate all of these coming in 2.5 by 2.5 Mylar flips. So got the Don at spot, $28.52. Spot today is like $29.52 or So got the Canadian Maple Leaf, got the 2024 American Silver Eagle, got the Kanga 2024. Love their bar. Very, very cool. And I don't really do bars that often. Peace dollar is nice, $30. And the Morgan Silver dollar is better than expected. So overall, I'm very satisfied. I would give this an A+. Totally digging the goldback as well. So the goldback I'm going to resell. The Peace dollar I'm going to resell. The Morgan I'm going to resell. And the Don here I'm going to resell. The Eagle I'm going to resell. And then these guys here, the Kanga, the Maple, and the Bull here, will go into, I'm going to hold onto those to wait until silver goes up a little bit more and use it as money at my coin shop. So appreciate you guys watching. And after I post this video, I always provide a link to my store. Give me probably to the end of today, so this evening, to get these coins listed. And I highly recommend them. I think they do a good job. So it was the 15th. It took about 2 weeks to ship, but that's because this is like my first kind of larger order from them. I think I bought stuff from them through eBay before, which is great as well. So I always recommend, before you make your purchase directly from a retailer, always check their eBay site too, because sometimes on their eBay site, they might have a better price or they might be running some sort of promotion. But I would say with confidence, you can purchase from them. They do a really good job on security. They do a really good job of providing tracking. It was very simple to follow my tracking through the eBay, or not through the eBay, through my email by clicking on the tracking number, and it brought me to the United States Post Office. They sent it in a nice whatever, a bubble mailer, very nice packaging. Every single coin they put in a Mylar flip, and they put in a bag with plenty of advertising, which is fine. And they did a nice job cutting away and making sure this didn't get folded in the mail if you're buying currency, or in this case, a gold back. So I would highly recommend their website. Check them out. Their website's very easy to use as well. So you can just go to their website, and they have an actual link to silver at spot. And these deals come and go. So, and obviously the prices will be a little bit more because I bought this 2 weeks ago. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Would you make a purchase from Bullion Exchanges? And we're just going to do our magnet test real quick. But would you make a purchase from Bullion Exchanges? Did this video help you? Again, a lot of people have really great local coin shops, super easy to go in there. You just give them your money, you walk out with your silver. I get it. But if you don't have a good local coin shop, or you do, but they charge too much and they're not going to sell you any silver at spot, especially world silver, check out Bullion Exchanges. I just recommend you at least make a $200 purchase or more, so that way you get the free shipping. And obviously I'm in a state of Illinois here where we don't pay taxes on our purchases of precious metals. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like the channel. Please subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'll probably be making purchases from other retailers just to make sure they're still delivering what they're promising. And again, shout out to Bullion Exchanges. Thank you for the extra security. Most customers or clients would get annoyed by that, but like I said, I could appreciate it because, again, someone took your wallet, has your ID in it, has your credit card, and has your check. If you left a check in there, blank check, they can go to town and make a purchase. So I do appreciate Bullion Exchanges saying, yep, before we send this out to you, because your address is different than the information that we already authorized or authenticated, we want to make sure you are you. So again, I did have to send them my utility bill to prove that I do have a new address, and I did have to send them a photo of myself holding my own ID, which they already had, but they wanted a photo of me actually holding it. I want to make sure the face matched, which I could appreciate. So please like, share, subscribe, and keep on buying silver, guys. This is good times. Talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye.